Okay, of course, every time I make a video, I am trying to bring you guys value, something that you have not heard before. And I'm thinking that this will probably be top on that list. This is such a powerful hack, tool, tip when it comes to decluttering, but it is definitely one that I have not heard a lot of people talk about. So hopefully it'll be new to you. This, we will call it the power of anger. Okay, so basically it's just utilizing that anger, or taking, when you have a bad day or you are angry, it's channeling it into something positive. When you channel that anger into your decluttering, you are no longer having like the sentimental emotions that sometimes have us get wrapped up in things, right? They kind of trip us up sometimes in our decluttering journey. So I just have just a big tip for you guys. Next time you are feeling some kind of way, some kind of rage, you know, you've done your workout, you're trying to get those endorphins, but if you want to try something else that will be productive, try decluttering your closet with this. Try decluttering your junk drawer. Y'all, literally the other day I was, again, just kind of feeling some sort of way. I was looking in my junk drawer and just, which I'll kind of try to show you guys, but I was just ripping things out. What are these? Why do I need them? Don't need them. You know, just kind of like, it reminds me, like, this is also such a good thing to do in your closet, because you will look at clothes and you will feel like the Grinch in How the Grinch Stole Christmas. You will feel like Jim Carrey when he's going through his wardrobe after he's been invited to dinner, and he's like throwing all his stuff away. You will feel like that, and you will not have that wishy-washy feeling. I think that is such a big part of it, is sometimes when we're in those moods, we are very set in our ways, and we're very, I don't even want to say determined, but focused, you know. And there's no black and white, or it is black and white. There's no gray. It's, I like this or I don't. I use this or I don't. I love this or I don't. And it's easier, again, for some reason, oftentimes for me, to make those things personally. Of course, when I'm with clients, I'm never in a bad mood when I'm with my clients. But personally, some days it's just easier when I feel like that to do those harder areas, closet being one of them. Junk drawer is just a funny example, because that's easy for me to go through anytime, because random stuff just piles up. But utilizing that mood and those feelings and making it work towards your good. Give it a try. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know if you do it. Tell me all about it.